What's going on, guys? We're at the creek. You may know this guy I have with me right here, the Kendall Gray, one and only.
Outside.
It's pretty cold, but at the creek here, we're gonna fish, wait around, see if we can catch some fish.
Yes,
You ready
sir.
to go?
Kinda.
All right, we're gonna go. First cast, Ned rig.
First cast. Uh-oh. What do you think about that superstitious stuff? You catch something on the first cast, you're not gonna do
Oh, I
it.
shake them off.
Here's what I'm gonna do. Boom. There, I did it. Say whatever you want to. First cast. This is second. Oh. I'm already hung up. That's not a good start, dude. Wonder what the water wanted to. Oh, now I broke the jerk. Oh, did I actually break it? I actually broke it.
Hey, that's a good way to start. You're getting all the bad stuff out now.
I didn't know there wasn't supposed to be any bad stuff though. It wasn't the knot. How do you edit your videos? Uh-oh, don't!
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're hooked up! Absolute monster! He is a stinking...
Oh.
That's one of them ones, you know, on like the Bass Pro Fishing game on the Xbox where you have that thing. That's a trophy.
Look at that.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
That is an absolute, that's what people call, whenever people say monster, that's what they're talking about. That is what they're talking about. I've not even got my bait tied on.
Let's go.
I don't know about you, but that's what I call a good sign.
I'm going for it.
You got one. There we go.
I do got one. Another little smallie. Yeah, make your cast over there. Oh, I thought you had one.
This is the bait for the... This is the bait. This is the bait for the smallmouth.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. He's already hooked up on here. I'm using the weird brown color. He's using one with chartreuse on it. They both working about good. Probably that one maybe a little bit better. Well, there we go, just like that. That's a smallmouth for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's pretty good. So we got some people
Bait
decorating
of
for
choice.
Halloween right there, and then there's also an air pump over there. So someone probably was driving through the creek on the boat. You got a flat.
Yeah, let's go ahead and ease on up. Fish some of this, where that little current's kind of swirling over there. Should be good. I'm gonna go up here and try this one little spot. Yeah, let's go right here. Oh, oh yeah.
You good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a lot better one. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that's a good one.
I'll get out of the way. Wait, don't wrap up my feet. This is a good one here.
Don't come off. This is what we're after. Look, dude, there's one chasing it.
Is there?
Yes, dude, throw your bait out here.
My hook's a bench now.
Come here. Come here. Do it. Oh yeah.
Good nip.
That is what we're after.
See if we can get this one that's trying to chase it. He may want it back. Still. Check
Look
that
at
out,
this
dude.
one.
Dude, it's huge.
That's a
Take
good
picture
one,
with it?
dude. That's all right. I want
Here you
to catch another one. All right, we'll take one.
Let me get on this side. There we go. That's a good one.
Sweet.
He's massive. In a creek, it's a river.
Dude, the one that chased him was like just as big, if not bigger.
I would have threw out there, but I put straight.
Oh man. I knew when I set the hook into that one, I was like, that's a little bit better. Finally.
Right over there?
Yeah, just like right here, just in this little pocket right here. We'll just cast like up in there and just kind of let it work down. Yeah.
That other one was probably hungry too.
Oh yeah, dude, he was chasing it. That was awesome. Dude, there he is.
You got him? Dang!
I don't know if it's a little one.
No, that ain't the one.
Not the one.
That's
Definitely
one.
not the one I
That is a
saw.
one, though.
It's
Maybe
true.
one day.
Stop it.
Probably his Nefson or something.
Could be.
Smallmouth?
Yeah. Oops. All right, so artificial baits were not working the best. So me and Kendall, we got the minnow seine, got the cooler. He's down there waiting on me. We're gonna try to get some live bait and go catch some better fish. All right, guys, we're here. We're gonna try to get some bait. Me and Kendall, he's over there ready to jump down into this. But I'm standing up here to where I can see, and there's literally thousands and thousands of minnows down here in this hole. We got the same. Kendall making his way down the mountain. We're ready to do this, so hopefully we'll get enough bait we can fish the rest of the day on right here in this spot. You ready, buddy?
I'm ready.
We're going in.
Okay.
You don't even have to wrap it.
I don't?
No, you can like,
Pause
well,
it. Get more.
one.
Huh?
You can just do like one wrap will be okay, but
Here we go.
it's gonna get a little deep.
It's not as cold, nearly as cold as it was this morning.
Oh, do you see them right here, bro?
Rock? No.
Look right here. Oh, they're
my
swimming this
gosh.
way.
All right, boys, we're going in.
Put it like kind of slanted like this, you know what I mean? Oh my God, they're so big, dude. Oh, it's bad.
Oh, it's cold. I don't care anymore. We're past the good spots.
Okay, I think we actually
We're past
just,
the point of no. Oh,
I think we just ran them all right here.
we're past the point of no return. We ain't going back to more.
All right, look, go right here, Kendall. Come through that mud right there,
Oh yeah.
and then circle right here.
Pull them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 20.
Nah, I don't like it.
It's all right.
It is. We're gonna
We
get
can do
them.
multiple passes.
Okay, hold on. Just flip it. We're going in right here. I see them.
Ready?
Yeah. Just go kind of hard and fast right here.
That's a good pull.
There we go.
It's a cold one.
It is so cold.
What I'm literally stepping on them.
Oh.
That's crazy. That's all.
Okay.
It's past the point of no return. It doesn't matter anymore. Oh,
No.
I'm getting it water.
Oh, dang it.
I'll get it.
Okay. Okay. Whew.
A good little amount, huh?
Yeah. We got quite a few there. We can get more though.
Oh yeah,
There's potential for a.
Just not going back. Whoa, this isn't a normal minnow, is it?
I think that's one of those little doe gut
Oh, okay.
things.
Oh, I went past the point of no return and forgot about my telephone. But that's alright. Hopefully it's
Oh no.
now it's saying
That's
this is
just-
only one that we
that's
actually brought in so
Only
far.
dip so far. They're going in.
We have a lot of minutes.
All right, guys. How many do you think we got in the cooler?
I think we probably got 200 in there already.
200 in the cooler.
100 and we throw another 100 back. If not,
We
more.
got this many going in. What's it look like in there?
What?
That's what we like. All right, let's go catch some fish.
There'll be plenty in either one in it.
Yep.
Right through the bottom of the lip, out the top.
Yep.
There we go. Now we're basically, we're almost like fishing them weightless in a way.
Yeah, pretty much. We just let them do all the work. We want it to be as natural as possible.
Let them struggle.
So it should be deep enough. You can, if you want to cast up like that way and let yours float down right here, and then I'll cast mine about right there and let it float down to right there. Yeah, just anywhere out. Just throw it out like that and then just let it float. Watch your line, feel it. Hopefully something will pick it up. Oh, there's a bite already.
You already got a bite?
Yeah. You can just watch your line and see pretty much. One just thumped it. Oh yeah, with this, you want to give them a little bit of time. Like one has mine right now.
Really?
Yeah. But you just want to give them time to eat it. Like,
Dude, he really does have it because your minnows not moving.
yeah.
So it's in its mouth.
Yeah, he's just chewing on it right now. I'm about to set the hook on him.
Oh. Hook.
That's a mess. First cast. Missed one, took my bait.
Huh?
Got a new one on. Going back after him. Dude, one's already got this one.
Are you kidding?
I swear.
How?
This is a smaller bait too, so he should have it. Yeah, you see my line?
Yeah.
I bet he has it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there we go. A little one.
Huge, but he's a fish.
Yep. We shouldn't catch many smaller than this here. See, I almost gave him too much time. He's got it. Deep in his mouth.
Throw it out, let it sit. Deal?
Yep, pretty much. There we go. You going with the big one?
I guess not.
Hopefully something huge eats this thing. I can barely cast that thing. It bends my rod over. We haven't even made it down to the best spot's right there at the curve. Dude, something got that big minnow. Oh my gosh. Something picked up that big minnow I got on. He's just swimming with it. I'm trying to give him all the time he needs to get it because it's so big. Oh boy. Oh, dang it, dude. I missed it. I gave him so much time too. Wonder if he, I see some marks on him right there.
Maybe him.
Oh, dude, I know what that was.
What?
There's a gash in the side. That's a walleye. Uh-oh. Good one?
He feels good. He feels really good. Oh, he feels
Is it
really
fighting like a bass, or you think it might be a
No,
walleye?
it's a bass. He's
Oh,
huge.
no. Oh
I
my.
don't know if that's a bass or a catfish, but he jumps, so I think it's a bass.
I think it's a, dude, that's a big smallmouth, bro.
Oh, snap.
Do you want me to grab him for you?
Maybe. Dude, this is probably my PB.
Think so?
I don't know. I ain't really saw him yet. It ain't got to be big.
Oh, that's a 4-pounder, bro. You are kidding me.
You cannot Kevin Van Dam.
You want me to? Oh my, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Come here, come here.
Oh, come on, brother. Come on.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, I can't grab her.
Bring him up.
I can't grab her. Oh my
Wait. Oh my goodness.
dude.
Oh my God.
That's a legit 4-pounder at
Oh my
least,
dude.
maybe over.
What in the world? Dude, I was going to bring my scale, but I didn't think we'd be getting any this big. Oh
Oh,
my gosh. Do you have your phone?
yeah, it's in my bag.
All right.
We'll get some pictures.
Dude, this is...
Dude, that's
this
a
is
tank.
definitely my PB.
Got hung there. Oh, I like the hook set though.
About came in, that time. Oh, did he snap me? Oh, he broke me.
Broke your line?
Yeah.
Dang.
It wasn't that big. I don't know, maybe it was. Oh, well, maybe it was.
Did he break it? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, it's a really good bite. This line, he's running with it. Dude, I think I got a good one here. I want to see if he's got it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he came back and got it.
No way.
Yep,
No way.
big one. It's not really fighting like a bass.
Maybe the catfish.
I think it might be another walleye, the way he's fighting. It is, dude, another walleye.
Walleye. I know I'm fishing one about the same size as some of the first bass we caught.
Yeah, I know. Dude, that's a big one.
Yes, it's something big.
Look at this. Big river walleyes.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this is something else. This is the hole, and I think something just ate my giant minnow, and it was 6 inches long.
And it just keeps bending.
You want the pliers?
Got it. All right, there he is.
Could be a walleye turned teared up.
Big walleye,
Is it picking up again?
going back. There he goes.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. Where are you going, buddy? He'll figure it out.